For example, when the Ravi mentioned that the worst is already has been happening, my wife has been treating me with silence for 4 years. ठीक है? उस time पे the therapist can go like, Ravi, that sound incredibly painful. Being in the same house, living with someone you love, but feeling invisible, the silence must have felt like a wall. The client will continue. ना? Then अपन उसको कर सकते हैं कि okay, so worst is the silence. It's already here. Then reaching out to her now can make it worse. In fact, it might be the only thing that has a chance to shift it. अपन उसको और ज्यादा वर्स नहीं बना सकते अगर वो वर्स ऑलरेडी आ गया. Reframe the action to the chance of the shift right now. ठीक है? और अपन ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि if she has been silent for this many years, maybe they are hurting too. What if, जैसे तूने बोला था कि what if hasn't, she hasn't known somehow to talk to you either. What if the silence mirrored her also? Okay, and you can say, see, you have survived this silence for 4 years now, and you haven't given up since. That tells me that there is a love between you. What's one thing you could say or do that lets just her to know that I still want us to be there without needing her to respond right away. For example, making her the tea or the coffee and quietly saying that I thought of you. Okay, leaving the note like I miss us, I'm still here if you want to talk about it. Sharing the movement of the sun. I remember how we used to, the dinner together. I loved it. Okay. So these kind of things कि उनको ये बताना कि reaching out may not be the change things can done overnight, but it's about showing up differently like you always do. Even the small warmth from your side could start something new in your life. Do it not to expect कि return में क्या आएगा, but because it reflects कि love is still there. You have the love between everybody in the family still. है ना? Second thing, जो suggestions बोल सकते हो, advice don't use. Don't tell the client कि I'm expecting कि good news आएगी. Don't tell the client कि मैं चाह रही हूँ कि इसमें काम हो. Don't do that. क्लाइंट की तरफ से अगर आप उसको पूरा ऐसा चिट्ठा खुला करके दे दोगे तो क्लाइंट विल टेल यू कि ये काम नहीं किया. You can just give the prompt to them. What if we try talking to her for 5 minutes in a daily life. Try talking to your daughter in your daily life. That's it. Don't elaborate. Don't, because after क्या हुआ ना, elaboration के बाद the client has सोच कि बहुत ज़्यादा behavioral नहीं हो जाएगा क्या? I don't want to just stand there in their life. Because client is still taking the baby step. You provide them the suggestions कि we can do this, we can do this, we can do this. उसको elaborate मत करो. Let the client decide what he wants to do.